Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras. So for your daily energies, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So it will be more specific to your situation, guys. If you have some confusion or doubts, you can watch that reading, guys, or if you want more clarity after you watch this video. So let's start with this reading first. We will see what are the cards for your general energy, guys. We have Sun, Wheel of Fortune and Queen of Pentacles. Very positive set of cards here, guys, Libras. So in your situation, guys, it is a very fortunate time for you. It may be in your career or it may be in your relationship. And this person you love, they are really devoted to you, dedicated to you. And this person is really caring, nurturing, and they really love you, guys. And they are someone who helps you, supports you in every possible way. And they are a really compassionate and kind person, and you feel greatly attracted to them, and they are also very beautiful, guys, Libras. And it may be your energy or your person's energy, guys, Libras. So whatever I say, it's either yours or their energy, guys. So it can be vice versa. And just when you are wishing for things, certain things in your life today, all that is happening, guys, just like some kind of a magic. Everything is coming together. There are a lot of turning points today you may see, and you may see things moving in a very harmonious way in your life today. Your hopes and dreams are all beginning to manifest, or you may be seeing great changes in your life today, guys, in your career and personal life. Everything is running so smoothly. There is no more stress or worry, and I see a very positive energy here, guys, with these cards. So this may be the right time if you are planning to propose or get engaged. So this may be the right time to do that, guys, because I see a very positive energy with these cards. So this person you love, they will accept your proposal, guys, Libras. So that is what I see, Libras, with these cards. Let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. We have Four of Cups in reverse. Again, a very positive card here, guys. So maybe if you are in separation and you are open to a new relationship, you are getting someone new, someone interesting, someone you will find that great understanding with. Or if you are already with this person you love, this relationship is going to take a new turn. Things are going to speed up between you both, and you are going to get engaged or married. So you are stepping up deeply into commitment, guys. So positive changes are what I see for your relationship, Libras. Good times or good luck is working for you guys in your situation, in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Tower in reverse. So your circumstances are going to resolve, guys. Maybe you were seeing some changes. It may not be so drastic, but there are few changes happening in your work situation. But it is not something you cannot deal with. It will be something small which you will be able to handle, and these changes are necessary to push you into something very positive for you guys, for your future. It is good for your future, these changes are. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards, Libras. We have a very positive reading here, Libras. Things are going very well for you in your career situation and in your relationship, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So for some of you, you may even get a new person proposing to you guys today, Libras. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes. Choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card. For those who chose this card, let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today. There are things that are beyond our control. Circumstances are beyond our control. Something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us. They are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind. They do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys. And whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you, and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon everything you did, all the good things that you did, is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that. And when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious, and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them. Maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate. And though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you, your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal, and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self. Everything goes through great changes each and every moment. And world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are, what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.